Good morning, dear students. How are you? I hope you all are well and taking the good care of your health as well as your study. Today we are going to start our second part of chapter 2, and the name of the chapter is Parallel Lines and Transversal. Dear students, we have already completed what is the parallel line and what is transversal line. If two parallel lines are there, and if any transversal line is going to intersect it at two distinct points, then there will be a formation of 8 angles. And according to the properties of some angle, the pair of angles are written as we have done in the previous part. Like for example, corresponding angle, alternate angle, vertically opposite angle, interior angle. We have already seen about this. Now in this part, we are going to do a practical sums. Okay. See, you have practiced at 2.1, question number 1. In the figure given below, each angle is shown by a letter. Fill in the boxes with the help of figure. Now see, a figure is already given here, and here you can see two lines are given. But a question will come in your mind, these two lines are not looking parallel. It is not always that the line will be parallel only. It may be in any shape, but this line is a transversal here. And it is going to intersect these two lines at a two distinct points here and here. And there is a formation of 8 angles as you can see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and accordingly we will make here a pair of angles, whether it is corresponding, alternate, interior, or any vertically opposite angles. Now, according to this figure, we have to write down here which will be the pair of corresponding angles. See here, P, angle P, this one. Now which angle will be the corresponding of angle P? Okay, so as you can see here, the shape of this angle is like this. On the same side, see, due to this transversal, there is the formation of left hand side and right hand side. On left hand side you can see the same of this angle is looking here, this one. Which angle? W. Okay. So angle P and angle W, these both will be known as corresponding angles pair. So here your angle P and angle W, these both will be a pair of corresponding angles. Now see on the right hand side the angle Q. Now which will be the corresponding pair of angle Q? I think this angle and this angle are looking similar here on the transversal line. So angle Q and angle X, both will be a pair of corresponding angles. So here X will be the correct pair of angle Q. Okay, so this both angles will be a pair of corresponding. Similarly, you can see here third one, angle R. Now see what is the position of this angle? This one. So here also on the parallel line you can see this one. These both are looking one and the same. So this will be the pair of corresponding angles here. So angle R and angle Y, these both will be a pair of corresponding here. You can see your angle question number 4 in this angle S. Now your angle S is here. In the same position, see on the other second parallel line, this one. Okay. So this and this will be a pair of corresponding here. So here angle S is there. Now what is the remaining angle here? Angle Z. So write down here angle Z. So here we have completed the pairs of corresponding angle. Now one more question is given here. Interior alternate angle. Alternate angle. Dear student, we have already completed in our first part the most identification of alternate in the shape of Z. Whether it is a Z shape or reverse Z shape, both are acceptable. Okay, so this angle and this angle will be known as alternate angle. Similarly here also this angle and this angle will be known as alternate angle, interior. Okay, here Exterior alternate angle will be also possible, but this is not asking this question. We will see it later. Here only we have to write down interior alternate angle. Now the shape of interior alternate angle is a Z. See, I think this angle and this angle is forming here a shape of Z. So this and this angle will be known as interior alternate angle. So here it is angle S. So the remaining angle is here angle X. So write down here angle X. Question number 6, angle W. See, angle W is here. Now see the shape of Z here. Okay, so this angle and this angle is forming a shape of Z, and here angle W is here. So which one is the remaining angle here? Angle R. So angle R will be the correct pair of angle W. Okay, so here, dear students, we have completed our first question of practice set 2.1. Now one more question is given here. Observe the angle shown in the figure below and write the following pair of angles. Only you have to write down here the pair of angles. Now see, here also these two lines are given, and this line is given as a transversal line, and due to this transversal then there is a formation of 8 angles here also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and altogether it is 8. Now according to this we have to write down interior alternate angle. Here also you have to write down the which pair will be at interior alternate angles. Now see, alternate angle now, just now we have studied here the interior alternate angles have a shape of Z. See, this angle and this angle is forming a shape of Z. Okay, so angle B and angle H will be a pair of interior alternate angle. So angle B and angle, which angle? H. Okay, now this is first one. Similarly, a second one is also possible here. This one is the first. Now second one you can see here, this one and this one. See this angle and this angle. This is also forming a shape of Z. So which angle will be here? A pair of interior alternate angle? Angle C and angle E. So write down here angle C and angle E. You have to only keep in the mind, if alternate angle is asked, you have to always think about the shape of Z. Okay, if a shape of Z comes in your mind, you will never do a long question. Okay, now your second question is here, corresponding angle. Corresponding angle means what? This one. This is your parallel, this is your transversal line. So on transversal line, see this angle and this angle are in the same position. Okay, so angle A and angle E. You can also understand like this way. This is your angle A and this is your angle E. Similarly, angle B and angle F in this position. Angle B and angle F. Okay, both have the same position. So this will be known as corresponding angle. The first pair is angle A and angle E. Second one, angle B and angle F. Angle B and angle F. See on the downside here also, this angle and this angle are in the same position. So angle D and angle H. Angle D and angle H. And similarly here also you can see this angle and this angle are in the same position on transversal. So angle C and angle G. This will be a pair of corresponding angle. Now there is nothing any possibility of the corresponding angles. Okay, we have completed all together here. Now last question is interior angle. Now what do we mean by interior angle? An angle which comes in between two parallel lines is known as interior angle. As you can see in the diagram here, this is your two parallel lines. The which angle is come in between these two parallel lines? Angle B and angle E. And we already know that the sum of two interior angles is always supplementary, but here we have to only write down the pairs of angles. Okay, so we are not going to write here the measure of this. So angle B and angle E, this is a pair of interior angles. So write down here answer angle B and angle E. Similarly, you can see here also this angle C and this angle H is also coming in between two parallel lines. So this will be also known as interior angle. So write down here angle C and angle H. Okay. So dear student, that much is given in your exercise number 2.1. Now you all have to write this much in your classwork notebook. And as usual, you have to send the picture of this on your SPL group of each standard. So for today, thank you very much. We will meet in the next video. Bye.